My name is Harshit Gupta. I am studying class 8D. Today my topic is discrimination in caste system. So let's start. India is a country with unity in biodiversity. The caste system is prevailing in India for ancient time. Even after so much advancement, the caste system is still prevailing in India to some extent. Originally, the caste system was based on the job performed by individual. There were basically four different castes, namely, first Brahmins, example priests, teachers, and scholars. Second, Kshatriyas, examples rulers, warriors, etc. Third, Vaishyas, example farmers, merchants, and traders. Fourth, Sudras, example laborers. Fifth, untouchables or Dalits, example sweepers, shoemakers, washers, and others. The caste system has many negative impacts on the growth of society. It stopped people from availing of their rights. It leads to widespread discrimination and the feeling of inferiority complex among people of the lower caste. They were even deprived of their basic rights of food, clothes, and even to follow a god. It infuses also pride in people of the upper class as well. This leads to the growth of the silent feeling of hatred among the communities. The government is trying out by forming and laws to ban the caste system. With the advent of modernization and education, it has reduced. The caste system needs to be eliminated to enjoy equality and peace. The true fragrance of democracy and can be experienced only when there is equality and no discrimination. We should stop discrimination in caste system. Thank you for listening to me.